In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of financial planning for couples. It's a topic that can stir up many emotions, but addressing it head on can pave the way for a stable and secure financial future. Number one, start the conversation. It might not be the most comfortable discussion, but it's essential. Being open about your income, debts, expenses, and financial goals can remove any uncertainties. Not only does this build trust, but it also ensures both parties are on the same page, reducing potential financial disagreements down the line. 2. Create a joint budget. This budget should account for your combined income and all your expenses. These include necessary costs such as bills and groceries, personal spending, and your shared savings goals. There are plenty of online tools and apps to assist with budgeting. The main objective here is to have complete clarity on where your money is coming in from and where it's going. 3. Set financial goals. This could range from short-term objectives like saving for a holiday or creating an emergency fund to long-term goals like buying a home or planning for retirement. Clear, common goals serve as a roadmap for your financial decisions and can help keep you both motivated and focused on the bigger picture. 4. Establish an emergency fund. Ideally, this fund should cover around 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Its purpose is to act as a financial safety net if you encounter any unexpected circumstances, such as losing a job or having to pay out a hefty bill for your car or something like that. This fund can offer peace of mind and provide you with financial stability during challenging times. 5. Plan for retirement. Discuss what your ideal retirement looks like. How old do you want to be when you retire? What kind of lifestyle do you envision? Once you understand your retirement goals, you can start working towards them. Consider exploring different pension plans and don't shy away from consulting with a financial advisor if needed. 6. Consider joint accounts. The question of whether to merge finances completely, partially, or not at all is one that most couples face. Some couples find it beneficial to have joint accounts for shared expenses, while others prefer to keep their finances separate. It's a personal decision and should be based on what works best for your situation. Just remember, transparency and communication are key, irrespective of the route you choose. 7. Regular financial check-ins. Financial planning isn't a one and done deal. Life is ever-changing and your financial plans should adapt accordingly. Schedule regular financial check-ins, discuss any changes in income or expenses, and adjust your goals and budget as necessary. These check-ins keep the conversation going and ensure you both remain aligned in your financial journey. 8. Managing debt together. Managing debt is a crucial aspect of financial planning for couples. If either of you brings debt into the relationship, it's important to address it openly and constructively. Discuss strategies for paying off debts, whether it's student loans, credit cards, or other liabilities. Remember, tackling debts together can accelerate the process and pave the way towards a debt-free life. 9. Investing as a couple. Investing can be an effective way to grow your wealth over time. Consider your joint financial goals and risk tolerance, and then explore suitable investment options. It could be anything from stocks and bonds to housing or mutual funds. Investing is a long-term game, so patience and consistency are key. You may also want to consider consulting a financial advisor to help guide your investment strategies. 10. Insurance needs. Having the right insurance policies in place is a crucial part of comprehensive financial planning. Whether it's life insurance, health insurance, or home insurance, these policies can offer financial protection in the face of unexpected events. Discuss your current coverage and identify any potential gaps. If necessary, consult with an insurance professional to ensure you're adequately covered. 11. Estate planning. This includes writing a will, setting up a living will or healthcare directive, and possibly establishing a trust. These steps ensure your wishes are carried out and can provide peace of mind for both of you. 12. Regularly review and update your financial plan. Just like regular financial check-ins, it's important to review and update your financial plan periodically. Major life events like buying a home, having a child, changing jobs, or retiring can significantly impact your financial situation. By revisiting your plan regularly, you can adjust to these changes and ensure you remain on track to achieving your financial goals. I have a free course in money management. If you want to check that out, I'll link it over here. Like this video if you found it useful, and leave a comment with any more tips or concerns you have about managing money as a couple. Subscribe for more personal finance tips, and thank you for watching. Bye.